Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Now let's discuss a useful tool. Revolutionize your roadside emergency kit with our multifunctional electric car jack. Designed to offer robust lifting power, precise control, and versatile functionality. With a working capacity of up to 5.0 T, it harnesses a 12-volt vehicle power outlet and features a double motor driver that operates independently to efficiently lift your car between 5.9 and 17.7 inches, automatically stopping once the height limit is reached. Not just a car jack, this ingenious tool doubles as an air pump and LED flashlight, meeting multiple needs with one simple button-activated panel that displays inflation pressure and enables smooth, automatic rise and fall. For safety and convenience, the kit includes an electric car jack, a safety hammer, a protective plastic case, an 11.5-foot power cable, battery clamp with wire, a pair of gloves, and a user manual. Always use the jack on flat, firm ground and choose a secure position where the car body can support the load. In case of any issues, please contact us for prompt assistance. Experience unmatched security on your RV or trailer with heavy-duty camper door lock, exclusively designed to fit lock hole openings of 3.75-inch tall, 2.75-inch wide, and 1.5-inch thick. Engineered entirely from robust metal with water-resistant technology and a sealing gasket, this lock is built to be rust and dirt-proof, ensuring long-lasting performance even in harsh outdoor environments. Please note, it does not fit Class A or Class C RVs. Always verify your trailer's dimensions and latch style before purchasing. Each kit arrives ready to install within 10 minutes and includes one camper door handle, 4 high-security mechanical keys, 4 screws of varying lengths, mounting hardware, and an owner's manual. Backed by our industry-leading lifetime warranty and crafted by an American business committed to quality, Camper Door Lock lets you leave your trailer with confidence, knowing your valuables are secure for worry-free travel. Unleash the ultimate shield for your vehicle with Adam's UV graphene ceramic coating, a cutting-edge nanocrystalline formula that repels water, dirt, and harmful chemicals while blocking UV rays. Engineered to provide a robust 10H hardness, it offers over 7 years of protection in even the harshest conditions. Infused with our patent-pending ceramic glow technology, this innovative coating transforms your application process, ensuring every surface is flawlessly covered without missing a spot. Now enhanced with 50% more coating resin and additional silicate resin, it delivers exceptional scratch and stain resistance for professional, long-lasting results. Safe on clear coats, single-stage paints, vinyl wraps, and lacquer finishes, this state-of-the-art nano-graphene ceramic car coating kit is proudly crafted in the USA. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Revolutionize your battery maintenance routine with the Schumacher DSR 123, a versatile charger and maintainer engineered to breathe new life into both 12-volt and 24-volt batteries for cars, trucks, SUVs, and even marine applications. This innovative device automatically detects battery voltage, switching seamlessly between 12-volt and 24-volt modes to rapidly revive deeply discharged batteries. Boasting multi-stage charging, desulfation, bad battery detection, and float mode monitoring, it ensures your battery is maintained at optimal performance throughout its life. The user-friendly digital display, LED indicators, and push-button controls make operation straightforward, while its rugged steel case and heavy-duty copper clamps guarantee long-lasting durability. Backed by a trusted name in automotive accessories, the Schumacher DSR 13 meets the demands of both professional and consumer users, delivering reliable performance in every charge. Elevate your ride with our premium bully steps, expertly cast from a single piece of chrome-plated aluminum for unmatched strength and durability. Designed with no welded seams, these steps offer a robust weight limit of 350 pounds, ensuring safe and reliable access to your cab even under extreme conditions. The extra deep design not only provides a substantial boost into your truck or SUV, but also adds an elegant touch to its overall appearance. This set includes 2 steps, complete with all necessary mounting hardware and detailed DIY instructions for a hassle-free installation. Featuring a reliable non-slip step area, our bully steps are the perfect fusion of form and function. Built to elevate your driving experience while withstanding the rigors of everyday use. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Maximize your adventure with Bluetooth Charger 1, the revolutionary device that charges your portable power stations or batteries 6 times faster than conventional car chargers. Harness excess alternator energy during every journey to keep you powered up. This versatile charger is compatible with all Bloody models and 95% of third-party power stations, offering adjustable voltage so you can simply plug in and power up anywhere. Its intelligent algorithm automatically controls charging to safeguard your vehicle's battery, ensuring you're never stranded on the roadside. An active cooling fan keeps the unit running smoothly even at high temperatures, extending its life and reliability. The package includes Bloody Charger 1, a 6AWG DC input cable, installation accessories, and a user manual for effortless setup. Illuminate every trail with our advanced off-road headlight assembly, designed to boost your driving safety in any dusky condition. The integrated metallized reflectors extend your light distance for enhanced visibility, while the fully sealed structure with robust silicone sealing prevents moisture from infiltrating the housing during rain, snow, or dust storms. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses, these headlights shield against road debris and branch impacts, and the high-impact housing is built to withstand shocks and vibrations on rough terrain. Professional installation is highly recommended to ensure peak performance. This kit comes as a complete pair, including a driver left and passenger right side unit for optimal balance and coverage. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Transform your car's interior with our universal car seat cover, designed to fit most low-back car seats with ease. Airbag compatible for front seats with side airbags. This cover installs effortlessly. No need to dismantle your car seats. The innovative rear bench split feature allows you to customize seating arrangements, with 3 zippers enabling 40-60, 50-50, or 60-40 splits, and the option to remove 1 or 2 zipper sections for a tailored fit. Crafted from premium carbon fiber leather and high-quality faux leather, this seat cover not only enhances the look of your vehicle, but also provides lasting protection. Elevate your driving comfort and style with this versatile, easy-to-use car seat cover solution. Empower your journey with the Joyroom Cigarette Lighter USB Charger, a versatile, high-powered solution that keeps you connected on the road. Designed to work in both 12-volt and 24-volt vehicles, this charger boasts 6 charging ports and 3 cigarette lighter splitter sockets, delivering a total of 210 watts to fast charge up to 9 devices simultaneously. Its multi-port features 2 QC 3.0 ports, 1 PD port, and 3 standard USB ports with intelligent chips that auto-recognize the optimal current for each device, ensuring rapid and efficient charging for brands like iPhone, Samsung, Motorola, and more. Upgraded with independent switches for each cigarette lighter splitter, it extends the device's lifespan by eliminating the hassle of constant replugging. A real-time LED voltage display monitors your vehicle's battery, flashing a warning when voltage falls outside the safe range, while a built-in, replaceable fuse protects against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. The Joyroom Charger offers reliable performance and peace of mind on every drive. Enhance your driving comfort with innovative foldable sun visor for car, a game-changing accessory that shields your eyes from harsh sunlight and UV rays for safer, clearer visibility. Designed as a universal visor extender, It effortlessly clips onto most car visors without the need for any tools, instantly enhancing your existing sun protection. Its flexible, adjustable design lets you fine-tune the angle and position, providing optimal coverage to block intense sunlight and reduce eye strain. Expertly crafted with premium polarized film and American-made components, this visor extender is built for maximum durability and reliable performance. Constructed from high-quality materials, it effectively minimizes glare while maintaining clear visibility, ensuring enhanced driving safety and comfort. Perfect for a range of sun glare situations, this anti-glare car sun visor is the ultimate choice for any vehicle. Illuminate your journey with groundbreaking clarity using the HWS Star H6054 LED headlights, a pinnacle of automotive lighting innovation. Delivering an impressive 9,500 lumens on high beam and 6,500 lumens on low beam, these headlights boast a superior beam pattern that guarantees uniform illumination without blind spots or dim areas. Crafted with state-of-the-art high-quality chips, a unique anti-aging circuit, and an effective heat dissipation design, they maintain peak brightness over time. Designed for easy plug-and-play installation, these headlights feature a modern, robust build at just 5.05 pounds per, with an IP67 waterproof rating. Compatible with any vehicle featuring 5x7-inch square headlight mounts, they're a stellar upgrade for models. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car.